step-by-step instructions on what you should do the next time you're in a traffic accident. Your accident action plan is next.
Right here, right now. You're watching Fox 16, Central Arkansas's only 9 o'clock newscast.
Well, it's not the best thing to think about, but chances are you have been in an accident before, or at least you know someone who has.
But what do you do at that most stressful time to make sure your claim is handled properly? Fox 16's Kelly joins us with information every driver needs to know and needs to keep handy.
We want to make it easier for you to know exactly what to do if you're in an accident. That's why we've talked with the experts and come up with this accident action plan for you to keep in your glove box. At the end of my report, we'll show you how you can download a copy for free. Hopefully, you'll never need to use it.
You're in an accident. Think fast. Do you know what to do? Before you call police, assess your injuries, get out of the car, and help the people with you.
Don't get out of the car too quickly. If you have kids in the car, then you're going to turn to them first. If they're small, they're going to be in car seats, and you're going to need to get them out, preferably in the car seat.
Duncan stresses that you might actually be safer inside the car until police get there if you've crashed in heavy traffic. It's also important to make sure you get information from witnesses before they leave the accident scene. You may never see them again, and they could really help you down the road.
Lots of times, witnesses, get away, and the police never get to talk to them.
A camera phone not only comes in handy for calling 911, it's also great for taking pictures of the accident. You can also keep a cheap disposable camera in your glove box along with your list of things to do.
Be sure to check the damage on the other car if you can before you leave, and make a note of it. That might be the only time you get to see it.
Try to make sense out of it, like this person ran the red light and hit me, or they pulled out in front of me or ran into the side of me. I didn't see them.
You should exchange information with the other driver. The police might be able to help you out there. And call your insurance agent. You might want to find out now if they have a 24-hour accident hotline.
You get information generally from your own insurance carrier advising you of what to do. It generally comes when your premium comes due.
If you start getting phone calls from the other person's insurance agency and an adjuster wants to talk, you might want to start about getting a lawyer. Most of the time, you can set up an appointment just to chat. It's important never to admit fault. It could come back to haunt you. And take care of yourself. You might not feel like you're hurt right away. And if you have any doubt the next day, especially when it comes to possible head injuries, see a doctor.
A new state law requires you to stay at the scene of an accident if the police are coming. It says you have to wait at least a half hour before taking off. In the newsroom, Kelly Dudzik, Fox 16 News.
Well, we have created a list of if you're ever involved in an accident. All you need to do is log on to fox16.com, click on the story, and you can print out your very own accident action plan. That's what this is right here, and just keep it in your glove box. You'll also find a link to the state insurance department's website.